Use the Android phone connected with the Carplay device. First, you need to download the Android Auto from the Google Play Store. This is the correct Android Auto software. Please make sure you download this one. If you download the wrong one, when you connect, it may need the password, but it cannot use. So you download the wrong software. Now, after you download the software, you need to set the device connect. Please choose the Android Auto. Then now you can use the Bluetooth to connect this device. This is the Bluetooth name, and connect it. Okay. Okay, it has connect. After the Wi-Fi connect success, the Bluetooth will disconnect automatic. It is normal. It's no problem.